What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed. So check this out. I'm out here taking off the crank pulley in my Honda Civic. If you have ever done it, you know that it is one hell of a job. And people will tell you it requires breaker bars out the wazoo. It's going to require impact guns out the wazoo. Well, I'm going to tell you how to do it quick, fast, and easy. There's only 3 tools that you need. If you have an impact gun, get that. Doesn't even have to be a powerful impact gun. Just get that. I take that back. There's 4 things that you're gonna need. And I'm gonna show you what they are right now. So if you want this job to be easy, you need, this is what I use, a Harbor Freight Chicago electric impact wrench. You need some butane. You need some type of heat to heat up the actual boat, which is right there. And then you are going to need one of these Honda crank pulley sockets. This is a regular socket right here. You see the difference? You see the difference? You're going to get more torque out of this particular socket than you will this one. Now, the next thing you're going to need, I take that back, you're going to need 4 things. Get yourself some PB Blaster. Put it on there. It doesn't even have to be that long. You may want to put it on there overnight, whatever. But the most important thing is get this. You can get these on Amazon. It's 19 millimeter. What you're going to need to do, put on your PB Blaster. Let it sit. It's best to let it sit overnight. You know, you can't go wrong with that. Then you take a heat, you can get these at Home Depot, super cheap. All you need to do is put heat on that boat. That's the boat right there, so you can see that it's out. All you need to do is put heat on that boat for about a minute. You just need a minute worth of heat. Once you put the heat on it, hurry up, put this socket onto your cheap impact, because this is a cheap impact, it's a $34 impact, and then get the turning. It will come off in no time flat. Here's the deal, before I did that particular method, I had been trying for a long time with these impacts and they just weren't working. I have 2 impact, a cordless and a corded. Neither one of them were working. PB Blaster alone wasn't working. The socket alone wasn't working. But when I put the heat on that boat, that bad boy worked. So there you go, folks. That is a quick tip to save you a whole lot of time and frustration. Heat, impact tool, the crank pulley socket that's made specifically for Hondas, and some PB Blaster, and you'll get that crank pulley boat right off. This your boy Jay Reed. Let me know your experiences in the comment with those tools. Peace.